All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today it's Snap-on Thursday. Little shout out to Joel over at Snap-on Tool Review. Had to, do a little homage to his thing because I'm talking about two different Snap-on tools that I bought today. Snap-on Thursday. It'll go live on a Friday, but So the two tools I bought are cool. One, actually I didn't buy, I got it for free for the other tool I bought. The tool I got for free is ECTS B022. Tool Storage Drawer Light. Well, what is it? Well, it's this nice little light bar that turns on, lights things up, but turn it over this way. It is magnetic, but that's not cool about it. What's cool about it is this little doohickey right here. It's a proximity sensor. So when you open a door, it turns on. Pretty cool. Now the remote does not turn it off. When you open the door, it stays on for a set amount of time and then it shuts off. Well, if you guys have a locker without lights, it's a little dark in there. Especially, right now. Especially right now at 9 o'clock at night, it's kind of dark in there. So, pretty dang cool. Allows you to, when you open the door, it turns the light on automatically. It is rechargeable with a USB-C connector. Way of the world, everybody's going to C now. Rechargeable, we'll see how long it lasts, but it charged relatively quickly, so not too worried about it. This sensor can be hooked to multiple lights. So you can order, which I'm probably going to do, 3 of these lights. So you've got them at each of your shelves in your locker, and you can link it to one controller. So you open the door, all 3 lights come on. Pretty dang cool. Now the other tool and why I got that for free is kind of a win-win for both of us. I got a Snap-on battery charger maintainer system from them. It has a clean voltage signal, so if you're doing programming, up to 100 amps. So some BMWs, it ain't gonna cut it. For a lot of what I do around here, it'll do fine. A little handier than our power source, but the main reason I wanted to buy it was our battery charger sucks, and the boss ain't buying that charger, and I haven't found another one that I like enough to make him buy it. So I got a battery charger. It's really nice, automatic, but the important thing is it freaking works. One of the things that I really like about it is it comes with really good quality clamps. Our current battery charger, we've repaired and had to replace the clamps multiple times. These are a lot heavier duty, so we should be good to go. The battery cables themselves are replaceable. It's screwed into these, so if anything happens, I can replace them. But high quality. Like I said, my dealer, he's had this one for a while, and so he cut me a good deal on it. No, I'm not getting into pricing because it's not cheap, but he did cut me a deal on it and gave me the light for free. So pretty cool for me and him. He got a nice sale, I got a nice tool and a nice light. But he'll get more of those light sales from me because I want to buy another 2 of them. But so I'm happy with it. I'm looking forward to being able to charge batteries without having to go hunt down the shop one or use my little Schumacher that's in the locker and having to, not have it charge real fast. Gives me the advantage of not having to pull my little Schumacher out, and I can charge a battery and not have to worry about it, you know, whether or not it's working, which is a problem with our current battery charger. So I hope you like my new tools from Snap-on. Notice I'm wearing a hat. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out more videos on Snap-on tools. If you didn't like the video, maybe you don't like Snap-on, give me a thumbs down. Comments, how do you like my new tools? And as always, let me know in the comments how you like my new tools. If you don't like my new tools, give me a thumbs down. If you do like them, comment. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.